Hey everyone! Want to get free healthcare under Ayushman Bharat? Here's a quick guide to help you apply for and get your Ayushman Bharat Health Card. So, what is Ayushman Bharat? Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan, Mantri, Arogya, Yojana, or PMJAY, provides free health insurance up to Rs5 Lakh per family per year for eligible citizens. It covers hospitalization costs, surgeries, medicines, and diagnostics at both government and private and paneled hospitals. Now, who can apply for this? It's pretty straightforward. Families listed in the SECC 2011 database, low-income families, laborers, street vendors, small farmers, and more. There are no age or family size restrictions. You can check your eligibility online via the Ayushman Bharat portal. To apply for an Ayushman Bharat Health Card, follow these steps. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Visit https://pmj.gov.in and click on Am I eligible? Enter your mobile number and verify with the OTP. Step 2. Visit the nearest CSC center. Go to a common service center or an empaneled hospital. Carry your Aadhaar card, ration card, and mobile number. Step 3. Registration and document verification. The CSC operator will verify your documents and submit your details. You'll receive an Ayushman Bharat ID and beneficiary number. Step 4. Download your Ayushman Bharat Health Card. Once approved, download the Ayushman card from https://beneficiary.na.gov.in. How to use the card? Visit any Ayushman Bharat empaneled hospital. Show your Ayushman Health Card and Aadhaar card to the help desk. Get free treatment up to Rs5 Lakh without paying any cash. Finally, here are some pro tips. The card is valid pan-India at any Ayushman Bharat hospital. Always carry your Ayushman Bharat card and Aadhaar when visiting a hospital. For any queries, call the PMJAY helpline at 14555. And that's it. Now you know how to apply and get your Ayushman Bharat Health Card. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help others get free healthcare. #Ayushman Bharat, #PMJ, #Health Card, #Free Healthcare, #How to Apply, #Shorts.